if you make a shape like ellipse tool,
Yes, sir.
if you press and hold shift, this is a proper circle. Then you can fill with color. Outline, if you want to remove, you can remove. Okay. Then if you create polygon tool like this one, okay. When you are working with shapes in Illustrator like star tool, and if you like make this shape, you can see now I'm making shape. So during the design of shape, you can press these up arrow and down arrow to increase the sides of the shapes. Okay, like this. Okay, you can fill with yellow. Okay, like this one here. Okay. Same with polygon, you can do in here like see. Okay, so it's triangle like. Okay, this. See. This one is here. Okay, and we have a rounded rectangle also like this one. You can apply this, and if you move this one from here to there, you can see. And star tool also we have done something like this. Okay. Now in Illustrator, it is very easy to working with shapes. Like if you select all of them, here you can see one tool that is called Shape Builder tool.
Yes, sir.
Shape Builder tool. So if you select this, now you can subtract some parts of the shapes from this selection. So you have to press and hold Alt in Windows and same Alt in Mac. So like this one, press and hold Alt, then see it will delete. Without C, press and hold Alt, it will not. Okay, so press and hold Alt C. Okay, that's it.
So the name is
Shape Builder tool. Okay. This is here, but you have to select all of them. Okay. Then press and hold all and so. Okay, for example, if you make a shape like circle, if you move this one here, now see if you select shape builder tool, and if you try to see,
yes.
nothing will, even press and hold or nothing will happen.
Select
See,
all.
okay. Only the whole will be deleted. So what should be happen? Select all of them. Now you can see, press and hold all exactly.
You
Press
can
and
remove this.
Yep.
Yeah.
See. Okay.
Logo.
Yeah, for logo it's very good. Shape builder tool. Then from eraser tool, like as I explained, you can also delete. You see, it makes smooth also. Right. So